As usual, we're going to start off with the indices. Um, the Nasdaq, we predicted this top back when price was in early May. I said that we were going to hit between 30 and 31,000 as a top, which I've been correct. We've tested that field multiple times. And then it becomes a dance around the all-time high anchored VWAP. You see how prices can sell in and above that. We early in the week, we sold down strongly and then we rebounded after midweek to close above it. So technically that is a buy signal above the all-time high anchored VWAP. It is a 2-day closed filter of that. So which does signal a buy, but the thing I want you to notice here is volume really isn't supportive of this upward move. Can it continue to go up? Is this low volume because it's diverging from price, or is it because it's vacation season in July where volume is typically lower? It will be remained to be seen. One thing I want to bring up here is that multiple commenters said that I need to check my education because this is a flag, and flags are very bullish, and we're going to go onward and upward. So, what they're saying, the people who think I don't know what I'm talking about, are saying that this is the pull, this is the half mast, and this means continuation upward. Well, let me drop a little knowledge on you since you don't think I have an education. That, my friend, is not a flag. It does not qualify for many reasons. Number one, a half mast or flag formation must be quicker acceleration, usually 1 to 3 weeks, right? If I switch to the weekly, this acceleration occurred over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks, which time disqualifies the pull. Also, the half mast pennant or flag is formed in a very fast. Remember, the half mast formation is an accelerated uh, formation that formed over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is actually much larger than it needs to be. So, for those that think this is a flag, right, I'm telling you that it is not. That does not mean the price can't continue up, but not at the measured amount that we could predict with a flag or half mass formation. So if you looked at that and said, "Hey, student alpha, do you think that's a flag?" My answer is no, it's not, and here's why. For you assholes that said I don't know what I'm talking about, how about you go through CMT school and you learn that that is not. Commiserate with the Nasdaq and my resistance zone, I have begun to size into a short of the Nas by buying S triple Q. You can see I'm underwater in my first entry at where I'm about 42.35, and I'm underwater right now, and I'm comfortable with that because I do believe we sell down, and I will size into that, and I'll let you know when I add more. I have not added more because since my entry, we are channeling, and you see that channeling in the Nas. The S&P 500 closed strongly on the week on lower volume. Same story. We tested the all-time high anchored VWAP, and you can see we pierced it here. And guys, this is known as a false break of that all-time high anchored VWAP. It has to close below it for it to be a significant sell-off, and this was not. And we've risen back into my identified zone of resistance between 75.50 and about 76.22 at the all-time high. We'll see what sellers say at this level. And this is probably going to have a lot to do with how earnings come out this week. But we are in the significant all-time high resistance zone, and we're going to have to see how it plays out. In order for this to continue through this, volume will need to pick up. If we get doji formations, that is compressed candles with increasing volume, we will direct back downwards from this. And I like this runs anchored VWAP as a price target down around 7,300 if rejection occurs. And of course, we have to identify this zone as support before we get there. Guys, all trading is a hunt for support and resistance and then how to trade plan around it.